Hello, hello, and welcome. Welcome to this morning yoga flow. This is a fast practice that you can do as a part of your daily routine, and it can help you set you up for your day ahead. So let's start by standing at the top of the mat. And then feet parallel underneath your hips. You will go onto your toes. And then shift your weight to your heels and lift all your toes. Spread them wide. And one by one, you're going to place them down onto the floor. Open your arms out. Turn your palms forwards. And inhale, lift your arms, lift the gaze. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, step to plank. Inhale in plank. You can place your knees down for this first plank. And with the exhale, you go to the belly in chaturanga. And go to your first back bend of today. It's the Sphinx pose. Forearms down. Inhale. Exhale to tabletop. And push back to down dog. You may want to keep your knees bent slightly. Heels over the floor. Inhale once. With your exhale, you're going to step forward and place both feet in between your hands. Release the head and neck. Inhale halfway. Exhale, release. Inhale, roll up all the way to standing. Arms up. Exhale, namaste. Inhale, release your arms. Take a deep breath in one more time. Arms up. Exhale, forwards. Inhale, look up. Exhale, go to plank pose. Take a deep breath in plank. You may use the knees for help and go down to the belly. Cobra or baby cobra. Press your feet down. Inhale. And then exhale straight to downward facing dog. Inhale in downward dog. And then walk or jump to Uttanasana, feet together in between your hands. Inhale halfway, extend the back. Exhale, release. Inhale, roll up, stand up, arms above your head. Exhale, namaste. Inhale, release your arms. Take a pause. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold forwards. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plank. Inhale here. Exhale, knees down or not. Chaturanga. Inhale to your back bend of choice. I choose up dog. Inhale in here. Exhale, down dog. One more time. Bend the knees. Walk forward. Inhale, stand as you roll up all the way with your arms above your head. Exhale, arms by your side. Inhale, arms up, look up. Exhale, foot forwards. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, go to plank. Inhale in plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Maybe you need to modify. Inhale, find your back bend. Exhale into downward dog. Take a breath here. Next inhale, lift your right leg high up, open your hip out to the side. Inhale here. Exhale as you bring that right foot in between your hands and go to high lunge. Arms up to the sky. Inhale. Exhale and turn to your right with your arms opened out to each side. Inhale. With the exhale, you're going to shift to warrior two. Make sure you press the back foot, bend the front knee as much as you can. Inhale, peaceful warrior. Exhale, Parshvakonasana, elbow onto knee, extend the whole left side. Inhale here. Exhale, release your left hand onto the floor and step to plank. Inhale, exhale, chaturanga. Inhale into your back bend. And then exhale into downward dog. Take one breath. Lift your left leg up high with your hip opened out to the side. And then take a big step forward with that left foot. Place it in between your hands and go to high lunge. Inhale. Exhale to T-shaped arm. Turn to your left. Inhale. Exhale, move to the other side into warrior two. Inhale into the reversed warrior, peaceful warrior. Exhale, place your elbow onto knee and go to Parshvakonasana, extended side angle. Next exhale, release your right hand down and step to plank. Inhale and exhale in Chaturanga. Inhale into the back bend of your choice. Exhale, down dog. Next, hop, step or jump to the top of your mat and roll all the way up to stand. Now turn to face the long side of your mat and open the feet wide. Place your hands on your hips. Inhale, shoulders up and back. Exhale, fold forwards. Your feet, the outer edge of your feet are parallel to one another. And you press those outer edge of your feet firmly onto the floor. Go as far down as you can. Make sure your legs are very active. Inhale, come halfway up and place your left hand underneath your face or on a block if you like. And then inhale and lift your right arm up to the sky, twisting from the ribs and try and keep your hips squared to the floor. Press your feet down. Activate your quadriceps. Inhale. You exhale, you bring that right hand at the left hand spot and you change side. Left arm up. Remember to counter twist the hips so that you only twist from your chest. Breathe once. Exhale, release your twist, come back to center. Your hands on your hips, your knees slightly bent, you roll up to standing. Now you're going to tuck your heels in and point your toes out and go to goddess. So here you may keep your hands on your thighs or bring them into cactus or make a mudra, Gyan mudra with your fingers. Move your knees out, drop your tailbone, breathe. One more time, inhale. With your exhale, straighten your legs and step forward. Now hug your right knee into your chest. So maybe you want to stay here with your left hand holding the right knee and turning with your chest, reaching with your right arm. Some of you may want to try and extend that leg, or maybe you can catch the other edge of that foot. So you choose whichever is best for you today. Inhale once. We're going to release the foot or the leg and reset the legs. Prepare for next side. Inhale, left knee up. Choose whether you catch your knee, extend the leg, catch your foot, and then turn your chest to your left. Left arm out and slowly also change your gaze to your left. One more breath. Exhale, release. Phew. Let's pedal to reset. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold forwards. Inhale, halfway up. exhale into plank pose. Inhale here. Exhale all the way to the belly. So you may drop your knees first. And now you will either stay your hands underneath the shoulders and only lift your feet off the floor. Drop your chin down, extend the back of your neck. Or you may add your hands and arms also and pull back with your shoulders, arms, and hands. Locust pose. Next exhale, we're going to release the hands down under the shoulders and then push ourselves into tabletop. Now you stay on all fours and inhale. With your right arm opening to the sides, you will exhale and thread it under the left. Place your shoulder down if you can, if not the arm. Press that right side into the floor. You can lift your left arm up or place it around your back. Now we're going to come back to tabletop. And of course, second side, yeah? Inhale, left arm up. Exhale, left arm under the right. Shoulder to the floor if possible. And now as you press onto the floor with your left side, shoulder, arm, and hand, choose what you do with your right arm. So again, we are in a twist and we want to move only from the base of the rib cage, keeping our hips square. One more breath. Exhale to tabletop again. Join your big toes, open your knees a little wider, and then go on to your child's pose. If you want to have a little more stretch, you can maybe join your hands in the back of your head. Now you're going to release your hands and then walk them towards your knees and come to a sitting position. With your eyes closed, stay there for a little bit longer. And before we end our session, I invite you to send an intention for the rest of your day. Send it and feel it as it is here already. And we'll finish with a deep breath in through the nose and a long and complete sigh out through the mouth. Open your eyes. Thank you so much for your time. I hope this practice helped to set you up for the day ahead, and then I hope to see you again soon. Take care.